Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a little bit unboxing of this lovely mattress from Youth. It's an offer, it costs only 280 euros, and this is the model. Let me see, the WELLPUR Gold 85 with 25 years warranty and etc, and let's see how it works and how to unpack it. Just take a lovely scissor and cut it here, but be careful not want to cut any of the fabric inside. Okay. Okay, lovely. Or you can cut it with your fingers. Okay, and let's this here. Here. And now the only thing I have to do is turn it from the right side. That's a little bit heavier. Sorry. And now I must cut it like this. Oh, just cut it. And definitely it will start. Take some air. And in 3 nights you can sleep, because Master he said and voila! That was the lovely unboxing of this mattress. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is my first unboxing of the mattress. Bye bye. Have a nice day.